The Nano Banana Killer is here. It's called Seedream 4.5 by ByteDance, the company that has created TikTok. And this is an image editing model that allows you to do any edit you can think about on top of your images. It can create posters, it's very good at handling text, and it can do multi-image editing. So it can use multiple image inputs to create a single output image, or even multiple images at its output. Here you can see it compared to the previous version which we have covered on the channel, Seedream 4. It's all around better on text to image and on image editing. This is a very important upgrade and a very important competitor to Google's Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro costs 15 cents per image on API providers and 2 times more for 4K outputs. So 30 cents for 4K images. In the meantime, Seedream is costing only $0.04. This is around 4 times less. Do you understand how huge this is? They offer a model 4 times less costly than Nano Banana Pro. And by default, it's outputting everything on 4K. So as you can understand, this is a super cheap model that is a direct competitor to it. Here is an example of adding these two images together and having a final result. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what I have created with Seedream 4.5 inside FlexClip AI photo editor. The link for FlexClip will be down below in the description if you want to check it out. It offers Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Flex 2 Pro, and a lot of other image editing models. So what I've done is I created multiple variations of my image. The first thing was I inputted this Darth Vader image, as you can see here on the input, and I asked it to create a zoomed in close-up shot on the helmet of Darth Vader. You can see the image right here. Super crisp, super clean quality. Amazing result. Compared to what Nano Banana Pro has created, I would say it's pretty much equal. So this is the result from Nano Banana Pro. It's a little bit of a zoomed out picture here, while this is an actual close-up photo. So for this, I would not say one or the other one. I would say that it is a draw. Then I asked it to create a close-up photo on the hand of Darth Vader, and this is the response. Pretty amazing, pretty beautiful. Nano Banana Pro has actually created this image, which I think it's slightly better and closer to what I would, think of creating. So I would give this win to Nano Banana Pro, but again, the responses are very close. One clear loss of this model is when I gave it 2 images, Darth Vader and this Jedi, and I told it to make them fight. We can see here that there is some hallucination with the lightsaber. So this is clearly a hallucinated response. Doesn't look bad, but the 2 lightsabers at one spot is just plain wrong. While Nano Banana Pro didn't have any issue creating this image. So again, a second win for Nano Banana Pro. Then I put those 2 characters side by side. So this is the Jedi, this is the Darth Vader. Looks very good, really clean. Similar example that I have done with Nano Banana Pro was putting a small Darth Vader, a baby Darth Vader, and the Jedi together. Again, I like the face of Nano Banana Pro here, but I think both responses are equally good. I also turned Darth Vader into a baby using the AI photo editor baby filter. One very powerful thing about FlexClip, if you want to check it out, is that they have pre-made filters and optimized prompts to do a lot of basic tasks like removing objects, changing colors, textures, seasons, removing backgrounds. Like this is very major, and this is the baby Darth Vader. It looks very nice, but I absolutely hate that it removed the mask and it put the face of a Chinese baby. In the same time, Nano Banana Pro had such, a good response. Like this is the baby Vader. So I would give this again to Nano Banana Pro. This is a change of season. So we changed the season from winter to summer, and we can see here the response, we can see the lighting, we can see Darth Vader in the middle. This is from Seedream, and this is what Nano Banana has done. I think Nano Banana is keeping the background a lot more beautiful. However, Seedream is up there, looks a little bit more artistic, so I would give them again a draw. And this is a small figurine that I created with Seedream. Looks very nice, looks very clean. I really like it. I also like this Blender background. And this is what Nano Banana Pro has created. This feels a little more fake, a little more rough. So I would again give it a draw. I wouldn't say one is better than the other, but in general, this model is very capable. I wouldn't say it's better than Nano Banana Pro in terms of quality, but given the fact that it is 4 times cheaper and potentially up to 8 times cheaper if you use the 4K Nano Banana Pro version, I would say that at the end of the day, this is a super capable, cheap alternative. So if you've got simple image edits to do, Seedream 4.5 is likely the best option because it's a lot cheaper. Now, before we close this video, let me know what you believe about these two models down below in the comments. If you want to find the prompts that I used for today's demonstration, hop into my free school community, go to Classroom, Master Image Generators. Everything here that you see is free, and you can hop into prompts and select image editing prompts. And you can also see, Nano Banana Pro for all of the changes in the prompts that we use on the Jedis. So yeah, this is my free school community. You can get started by just creating a request like this guy did. And yeah, I would love to see you inside the free school community. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.